Lisa Armstrong has shared some career news online, leaving fans gutted. The Strictly Come Dancing makeup artist revealed on Wednesday that her popular Avon range has been discontinued. Lisa, 45, confirmed the news on Twitter, after many fans of her makeup products had been inquiring about where certain items had gone. The star, who split from Ann McPartlin in 2018, explained that time is up on her limited edition range with the cosmetics giant. Morning, why am I being told Avon are stopping stocking your range? One fan asked the makeup guru on Tuesday. Lisa simply replied, because they are hun. Her range with Avon was officially launched last year, with several of the lipsticks featured named after the makeup artist's most loyal friends. Following Lisa's confirmation her line was coming to an end, many expressed their disappointment at no longer being able to purchase her popular products. Lisa used the many tweets as a chance to clarify why Avon had chosen to discontinue the range. "I'm gutted as love all about the base primer, amazing product," one devastated fan began a tweet to the star. "Thank you at Lisa Makeup for introducing it to my makeup routine, I just hope I'll be able to get it once Avon have sold out." Quote tweeting the original post to her 139,300 followers, Lisa replied, "Thank you. It was an amazing partnership which I have loved every second of." She added, "It was only ever a signature collection for 3 years and now the time is up." The Strictly makeup artist ended up tweet with a number of kissing face emojis. When launching her exclusive range with Avon, Lisa explained her desire to make affordable products. "After 20 years of experience as a makeup artist, I want to share my expertise to create a luxurious collection of professional makeup bag must-haves that are wearable, approachable and affordable," she wrote on the company's website. "With this experience, I've created a range that I couldn't do my job without, so you can benefit from my know-how whilst creating your own signature look." After suffering a tough split with ex-husband after over 20 years together, Lisa also used the collection to pay tribute to her pals who helped her through it. The thoughtful star named several lipsticks after women in her life who stood by her side during turbulent times. Speaking at the time, an Avon spokesperson said, "Lisa's partnership with Avon is the exciting co-creation of her new professional makeup collection following Lisa's 20 years in the beauty industry." Lisa's lipsticks are named after close friends that are independent women who have supported and inspired her. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@trinitymirror.com or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.